Hello guys, on the 24 part of drawing, and we will talk now about plotting. First of all, if you wanted to plot the model space, you will go to the application menu, then print, then you will choose plot. Okay, this is the first part of it. You will choose plot. Then it will pop up a window of a plot model space. There is another way. You can go to the output tab and you choose plot 2, and the pop-up window of plot model will get back to you. There is another way also. If you get and use the abbreviation Control P from the shortcut keyboard, you will use also the plot model. Once you hit the plot model, it is an easy way now to start to use the printer's name that you wish to use it. For the example, or to the first one, maybe here I set up the Canon MX like that. So maybe I will use this type of a printer. But if I don't have any kind of a printer, I'll convert the DWG to PDF.bc3. It means that I will convert the drawing to a PDF. This program called Open in Acrobat Reader, and everyone is familiar with PDF. We have to be aware of something here, that the PDF options, the PDF will include layers, informations, and it will include hyperlinks and bookmarks, and even the fonts of that have been used in the drawing. Okay, this is very important in the PDF option. And you can see this part had been checked plot to file because it had been a kind of a deformation from a DWG to a PDF, okay, to another thing like a book. So the size of the PDF, you can choose it an ISO A4 or A3. You have to be aware which type of type of the paper. Now there is something you have to be aware of it. The ISO papers, because they are for the metric, for the system of the metric, the first of thing that they're divided in two parts. One of them will be landscape and the other one will be portrait. So if I choose this, it will be portrait. But you have to be aware of something. Once I make a preview of what had been drawn, the paper is still being portrait. The drawing is portrait, but the paper as itself will be printed in the portrait way, but this will be landscape. What I mean about that, I will hit escape. That this paper, the drawing as itself, it is a landscape, but you need to rotate the paper that is as itself to be a landscape like that. So both of them need to be a landscape. You have to work with both of them, the drawing and the paper as itself. So this is a very, very important tip. You have to be aware of it. The second thing that I wanted to be sure about it, that you need to center the drawing inside the paper, and actually by default it fit to paper. What it means, it fit to paper. It means that the size of the drawing actually equal to the size of the paper, but I didn't choose what to plot. So what I need to do here is to use the window. Once I use the window here and started to draw a kind of a box like that, so now the shape had been studied there, or the hatchet part is showing me. If I use the preview part, now you can see that the drawing is there and it is centered, and I can see every part of it. But there is another issue here. Another issue here that you can see that the layers, they need to be with another in a grayscale mode, something close to that. I don't want to see this kind of or the plot style table. It means I needed to see it in a grayscale mode. So this is I will choose grayscale CTB. And the CTB, it is an abbreviation of color table, the style of the plot as itself. Now when you see this, it will see it in a grayscale. I will make escape. Some people will not accept that at all, will say that they need it to be in another kind. It means in monochrome. If I choose monochrome, when I do a preview, now you can see it in a kind of in a black way. Okay, this is in a monochromatic issue. It is much better if for some people. I will hit escape again. So if I wanted to choose what I want like that, I can preview again. I wanted to show you the border of the box here. like that, and you can see every part of the drawing and you can see it very clearly. So once you hit OK, escape. Now if I hit OK, it means that I will plot this to PDF. By the way, if you want the resolution to be much more higher, so you can choose presentation, or you can choose maximum, or you can try to put custom and try the most highest resolution. It will be 300 dot per inch. 300 dot per inch, it means dpi. This is the abbreviation of dot per inch. So this is the best resolution you can get, and you can type more if your printer, by the way, can print such a thing, but your PDF can be higher, but it will cause you that the PDF will be very heavy. So that's it for drafting printing from a model space. Then before I hit OK. Then you choose where you will save this Peter_01 model PDF. You will hit save and you will save this PDF. Okay guys, this is the right way. So thanks for this modeling.